May ito din, sir.
Sige na. Okay, tapos promise yan. Kita yung anino. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, and.
Up to Mount Ulap.
Sige. Wait lang. Hi! Okay. Abot ka ba?
Hello.
Ayan,
Paabutin niyo, parang awa niya na.
Yan, abot. Alright.
Yan po nga nilalakaran. Ingat sa paglalakad. At mabangin. And that peak over there is the summit of Mount Ulap. And down below is Cannon Road.
Camp 4, Kinurot.
Camp 4 Cannon Road. And that peak over there is Santo Tomas.
Alright. Oh, take 5 muna dyan. Take 5.
Wow. Mga pine trees, maganda. Cool air. Sarap. Lakay, musta kabit lakay?
Ayos, sir.
Okay.
Welcome to Mount Ulap.
Thank you. Okay. Take our first 5-minute break. Hello guys.
Hello guys, and this is our first break, you know?
Yep,
Our
man.
first 5 minutes.
Yeah, yung video natin na kanina pa. Hi, hello. Hi sis. Nagan mo sis. Nagan mo po.
Lisa, sir.
Lisa. Wow. Yan mga pine trees, maganda. What a lovely view. What a relaxing view. Yan. Sa Baguio namin ganito. Ang maraming pine trees.
Sa likod bahay
Yan.
namin, daming ganyan.
Nga, ganon! Ganon! Hi bro. Oh, wow. Nice view. Okay. That's that one over there. Sorry. That one over there is the city proper, Baguio City. Wow. Now that's the city proper of Baguio City, and
Hindi, dyan ka na lang. Baba ka ng konti doon.
when that peak over there is where the relay stations are nestled, including the Air Force relay station. That's our group, our two guides right there.
1, 2, champion. Bako, harap. Hindi lang. Hindi basta huwag masyado.
Now look at that view, ang ganda. Wow.
Sasakit mo sa Sir,
Ah.
dito ako.
Look at that view.
Hindi ko tinuturo yung. Dito ka ma'am, tumayo ka dito. Ayan yung view.
Oh, maganda. The first reformation along the trail. Ang ganda ng view. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Ganda.
Pwede ako din.
And my companions. Ganda ng trail, ganda. Yup. Exactly. Ganda ng pine trees. Okay ba? Welcome to your Hayahai Trail. Hayahai climb. Ito na siya. Oh, cool air. Mahangin siya, fresh air. Walang ganong araw. Covered by the clouds, kaganyan. And look at that, pine trees. Hindi matalik yung trail. Ang sarap. Hayahai Trail. Hello. ang ating favorite na snack sa bundok, jelly is. Hello.
Picture na.
Bakit jelly is? Kasi siya mayroong siyang tubig, so no need sa water. Kahit na paano?
Ano yung ba?
May kuweba, dalawa? May kuweba?
Natutunan yan na.
Akala ko sa sipit. Sir Noel sa sipit.
Marami na.
Sipit?
Kasi short na.
Hello. Ganda. Look at that. Oh, parang ano, rice terraces. Mini. Ganda. Lovely. Okay, we're at campsite 1 of the Mount Ulap Eco Tour. Ganda. Going to the first peak. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. Hello. That's the bunker of campsite 1. Plains and your first peak right there. First peak. Okay ba?
Sarap. Ganda yung ground.
Siyempre. Ganda, no? Okay, far off is the plains of La Union. Then the marker for the first peak, which reads 1788 MESL or 1.788 kilometers above sea level. And Felix Mines right there. And that tawag ito, lake down there is the San Roque Dam of Pangasinan. And of course the plains of Pangasinan. And Mount Purgatory. And that peak at the center is Mount Pulag.
Oh, kanya-kanyang pose ha. Okay. Oh, may dun dito. Upo dito. Isa. Kanya-kanyang pose ha. Ayan, upo na yan. 1, 2.
Aba, malupit! Isa pa!
Yung screen, pinutin mo para lumiwanag. Yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Po, name!
Mount Ulap.
Kayo po!
Lizelle po, Lizelle.
Lizelle! Yabi sir, ano? Ang ganda, no? Nasa ko tayo sa ridge. Right on top of the ridge. Ganda. Hello. Pala pa kayo, walis. Walis na made in Baguio. Okay, now that's the summit of Mount Ulap, and that one I believe is the Gungal Rock. na this is a lovely tree. Tignan mo naman, ang ganda. Ganda ng kanyang pwesto. Okay pinag ano niyo yung puna, pinagtipan niyo ah. Ganto, parang Batanes ah. Hello. Sige lang, go.
Tayo ka dyan. Kaya?
Wala na, lobat na. Oh, mahulog ah.
Okay. Hello. Name po.
Hello!
Lloyd and
Jessie G!
Jessie G. Thank you. And this is your Bungal Rock.
Next!
Yep,
Sino ba?
that's the view.
Alright.
Best time is
Medyo
in the
silhouette,
morning,
pero
maybe
kaya siyang punin sa ano,
right before noon.
edit.
Best time is 9
Sa
o'clock
Lightroom,
or
pwede.
8 o'clock.
Who's next? Wala na?
Kasi magpipicture.
Kala ka mabot.
Ikaw na.
Ganda, no? Yan yung fog. Yan yung clouds, actually. Ganda ng ano, ng wall, oh, ng groove ng ano, ng hillside. Yun po ang summit ng Mount Ulap. Yan naman pong clouds. Hindi po yan fog, clouds po talaga yan. Ang ganda. Oh, that's the clouds. We're literally walking in the clouds right now. Wow. It's already zero visibility. And that's the peak being blanketed by this thick cloud formation here. It's not a fog, it's clouds actually. And a thick forest below. Alright, we're at the summit of Mount Ulap. First in the group because I wanna take a longer rest because my feet are aching already. And that's it. Wow, the summit is being engulfed by the thick clouds here. Okay, enjoying the summit while yung makasama ko doon pa sa third peak ng Mount Ulap. Alright, okay ba? Alright, hello, yan. Welcome to the summit of Mount Ulap. Ayan, Mount Ulap dahil ayan, balot ng ulap. It's called Mount Ulap because it's always being engulfed by the clouds. Best time to get here, especially the Bungal Rock, is between 7 to 9 a.m. Past that, the rock formation will be involved by clouds as well. So best time for the Gumong Rock is 7 to 9. But of course, same here sa summit ng Mount Ulap. And here is our Mount Ulap na balot ng ulap. Okay. So that area, yung mga po kasama, is the third peak. With a marker stating that it is around 1.82 kilometers above sea level. This place is a bit higher. Then again, this is the real summit. Okay, tagal po kasama ko. And here they come. Name please. Name. Chris.
Hi po, Lizel!
Hello.
Hello po! Carla from Isabela!
Okay. Name.
Maria Josepena Smith.
Hello.
Bilog!
Hello. Okay.
Nasa 387 ganito eh.
Heading for our lunch.
Oh, dito yung camel.
Mga baka. Ang dami. Ooh, grabe.
Verse 3, for everybody's meal.
And 1, 2,
Wala pa rin tatalo sa Alaska.
and 1, 2.
We're here at the 7-Eleven store here. Right beside the peak of Mount Ulap. Right on Mount Ulap pala, sorry. Yan ang po ang ating natural na cooler ng 7-Eleven store right here on Mount
Ayun
Ulap.
po, nakasulat.
Okay, we're heading back to the base camp via the Santa Fe exit point, whatever you call it. Sabi ka na din, no? Ang tawag doon. Ito ng trail, oh, puro pine trees. Ganda. Ano? Grabe, oh. Ooh. Lovely. Cool. Go. Sige lang. Sige lang. Hanging the bridge. Wow. Uy. It's moving. Tiga. Oo. Nakay pa. Souvenirs right there. Okay.
Ba? Ako din ako ng isa. Yung napili mo. Isa ba doon?
Second hanging bridge. Okay. And here we are at the rendezvous point, Santa Fe area. That's where it came from. Successful! Ang anong? Musta? Let's go home.